I'd like to invite you to a new Feldenkrais Access workshop, Reducing Sciatic Pain with the Feldenkrais Method. I'll be teaching this workshop online on March 30th and 31st. And as always, you can either attend live or via permanent access to the recordings anytime you want. Sciatica is one of the most uncomfortable and challenging of back problems. People talk about their sciatica acting up, or having sciatic attacks, or having flare-ups. That's because sciatic pain often comes and goes. Sometimes it can be chronic, and sometimes it can be so bad that it can cause numbness and pain down our legs and in our feet. This is because the sciatic nerve is the longest nerve in our body. And if it becomes irritated or pinched or impinged, then it can cause pain all the way down the leg. In this workshop, you'll learn what you can do to relieve compression along your spine, and you'll learn specific Feldenkrais lessons that can help you to reduce sciatica, eliminate it, and tools that you can use to give yourself relief. I would also recommend this workshop if you suffer from chronic back pain or acute back pain. Everything we do in this workshop will be therapeutic for you as well. And if you're someone who works with clients who have a sciatica or acute back pain, the tools I'll be sharing will be very useful for you in your work with clients. I hope you'll join me and the entire Feldenkrais Access team on March 30th and 31st. Cheers.